Hello, 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 and welcome to Tips for the Voice. Now, this one is mainly for speaking, and it applies to everybody. But I'm talking to the people who I wrote it down. They're explaining the service, they're marketers, they're customer service, and they can be phone help, or they can be team members, like with Marie Forleo. I did take her class. It was great, actually. It was really good. It was B School. So check it out. If you're into marketing online, I did that. And I noticed so many of the ladies who were speaking talk down here. And they kept going and going like that. And several of them talk like that most of the time. And I can't do it very long because it's irritating. And they were talking down there. Now, I'm going to talk to singers. If you're doing this, you're think of sandpaper on your vocal folds. Ooh. You know? And like right there, sandpaper, think of it like that. Okay, it'll work. And when I tell ladies, I tell them, you're speaking in the gutter. They go, ooh. You know, it's just, ooh. It just irritates, okay? With guys, get on with it. It's got to be a little bit higher, okay? They go, no, I've got to speak low. Well, there's exceptions to the rules, but generally, it is something where you think, oh, I've got to talk down there. Well, you got used to talking down there. With singers, you are hurting your voice. You are frying the vocal folds. The vocal folds are like a V laying down in back of the thyroid cartilage, and you actually can start having nodes. They're benign tumors on the free edges of the vocal folds. Not a good thing. They're harmful. It also can be really uncomfortable. After a while, it wears on the voice. How did it start? It's the habits. We just don't realize, oh, we're tired, and we wear that in the voice. You know, I'm so tired. You know, and this happened this day. It could be emotional. I don't know. And you grip, and you get used to gripping, and then you get used to sliding down. It's a natural habit at the ends of sentences, or when you're doing a presentation, you're like saying, hello, my name is Marquita Waters. The tendency is to go down on the ends of sentences, on the ends of your when you slate, the ends when you're speaking your name. So what you want to do is not go down, you want to stay up. And like I said, it's irritating. Now, that's subconsciously. You might love the person who's talking, but subconsciously, it's irritating. And when you fix the problem, because I had the problem too, when you fix that problem, you're so aware, it's like, ugh. You know, it's like screeching, you know, on a chalkboard. Ooh. So I used to speak down here, and I think I did a video about this a long time ago, but right now I'm really getting in depth with it. I'm really trying hard to impress upon people that you have to be very careful, if you're a singer especially, of your speaking voice, because it's the same muscles. You don't want to wear them out. You want to have them for singing. And then for speakers, you don't want to be irritating. You want to be pleasant. Okay. I used to talk down here all the time. Now listen to that. You never hear me like that. I'm not like that at all. I'm up here. And at first it felt weird. It took a year for me to get used to it. I did voice therapy because I ended up with nodes. I was doing boo-boos. I was doing bad things when I sang. And it was all, oh dear, it's in my book. I don't have a copy here for you. But it was in my book. It is in my book. Go to Amazon.com and get the book. Read about my childhood, and then you'll understand. Oh no. I am healed now. Praise the Lord. And I don't speak up there. I speak here. I used to speak here. And because I damaged my voice, I couldn't do the upper registers. So this is for the singers. I couldn't do those high notes. Now I can do really, really high. higher than I ever thought I could. And I practice all the time. So what you have to do is practice a variety of tones so that you, well, with me, you could come up to your optimum pitch. That's the pitch where you get the most amount of sound for the least amount of energy. And that's where I am. I'm right there. I don't have to think about it. It comes in. But I really had to work at it in the beginning. I was very stubborn, just like you might be. You're used to it, you know. And it sounds so sexy. And you want to do it. But you're frying your voice. Don't do it. And for you speakers, I'm coming back to you now. You are irritating the people that are listening to you. You're giving, now you've got to go here and you've got to do this and open that thing. And it's hard to understand what you say because you're going down there. You're not saying a clear tone. You're giving a guttural tone. Okay, so you don't want to do that. All right, so you have to lift yourself. That means go a little higher. And what I get from people, because I do voice therapy, what I get from them is, oh, you want me to speak up here, huh? You know, and the guys say, I'm not going to speak up there. You don't want me to speak like an idiot, you know. They use other words. So, higher, not up there, not a squeak, squeak. That's avoidance. Hello. So you don't want to play the avoidance game. You want to deal with your bad habit. A lot of times it comes in because you had a cold and the voice was tired, and after a cold you tend to speak lower. Oh, I had this cold and I just had to, you know, I wanted to whisper. Don't whisper. It's hard on the vocal folds. Here I go. You know, oh, this is what I'm really, I feel so bad. I don't know. You hear? I feel so, I'm hurting. And you start a habit. You're nervous, you're tired. You start going down. You want to be dominant in the meeting. No, you want to present yourself. And a lot of times, ladies, you want to present yourself because you are a lady. You want to have dominance. You think speaking higher is bad, so you speak low. Well, no, this is how I do it. And then you end up with this habit, the habat, which hurts your voice. I have several students that they have to give presentations. They're in charge of the group, so they grit and bear it, and they go down lower. Well, you can't get a lot of volume the lower you are. So the lower I am, I really can't, so I can't push it. So I end up pushing the voice and hurting it, tiring the muscles. And they go, really? You really want me to do this? You know, I have no volume down here. Are you serious? Let's get her. So, tired, get hoarse. Teachers. It happens to teachers a lot. I got one teacher out of it, and she was doing great after that. But it took a long time because a lot of times we're stubborn. We don't want to do it. How dare you change me? Because it's at the core of us. We've gotten used to this, and we like it. That's for singers, okay, a lot. And speakers, a lot of times you don't realize it. You're just going on, and you just think, this is the way I speak. No, you got used to it. So what you have to do is get used to being a different way, which is bringing the pitch up, and it won't be that high. It just feels that high. It feels like it's up there, you know, but it really isn't. So you have to raise it a little bit. If you are speaking down here, I'm talking down here. And if a guy is going down here, okay, you can't sing down there. All right, and you can't speak down there. Speak up here, and then speak up here. It doesn't sound too high on me. I thought it was very high, like I said, the stratosphere. But it's because I was stubborn, and I was stupid, oh my gosh. But now I'm not, I'm healed, yes I am. So now I'm imparting this to you. Let me see if I forgot anything. Nope. I didn't forget anything. This is the moral of the story. You cannot speak with a in your voice. It hurts. They're going to get mad, and they're going to get back at you. They do. They talk, And everybody inside, all the nerve endings and everything, you go, oh my gosh, really? Let's save him. Oh my gosh, what is she doing? Oh, she's hurting me. Okay, so now you've got to get out of it. No glottal frying. Hello, how are you doing? This is the team for, and here we are. And this is what you, no, I'm tired of just telling you. So I've got to stop the video now before I do more of that, the frying, okay? It's a challenge, I know, because it's become a habit, a habit. But you can do it. Is it easy? All depends. If it's really part of your character and you love it, you singers, it's sultry, or it's like, I can grit. There's so much grit you can do in a song also, and then the muscles are going to get mad. So you've got so much that you can do, and it depends on everybody. And then after that, the muscles are going to get mad. They do. They talk. And then they get mad at you. And then they sing. Let's do it. And they don't work. Or they get hoarse. And you go, what? Oh my gosh. You have to change your habits. And you can do it. You really can do it. Okay? And I'm going to check. Is my doggy didn't join us. Oh. All right, guys. I'm done. Remember, lift up the voice. Don't go down in the gutter. Don't be, stubborn. Lift it up. Keep your body up. You have to support the tones. You have to breathe from lower. That's another video. So, such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day, yeah. My voice is tired from doing that for you guys. Go to MarquitaWaters.com. Visit me. You need help with this? You need private lessons. For this, you need private lessons, either here or online. Can't do a group thing. This is specific for you, okay? So, subscribe, leave a comment. Love ya. Bye-bye.